Oh my gosh, katatapos ko lang panoodin yung Umaaligid ni Sarah Geronimo and ng SB19. Aware na ako na magkakaroon sila ng collaboration. It has been announced several weeks ago. Pero sa question ng mind ko, paano kaya nila gagawin yon? Paano kaya yung magiging atake nila? Um, I know kasi pareho silang super galing. They are very high caliber artists that iniisip mo anong klase kayang partnership yung gagawin nila or creative level na aabutin ng project nila. And talaga naman na na-shock tayo kasi they chose to present it in cinematic film. Yung music video nila, they decided to do a different, kumbaga iba yung atake nila. This is something new and something that we did not expect. Kasi syempre ang iisipin mo 'pag, P-pop baka, may dance number sila or magdu-duet sila. It could have been a love song, but no. They decided to do something very different, which is gumawa sila ng suspense, thriller, action na, music video to pair with the song Umaaligid. And it's not your standard, kilig or pop love song na akala natin na gagawin nila. They really raised the level. Tinaas nila actually. And it was a wise decision. For me, it was a very wise decision because sobrang lakas ng energy ni Sarah Geronimo and ng SB19 that it is really hard to contain them in one setting or arena or into just one song. So, kung ako rin naman, kung gagawa ako ng song for them or kung iisipin ko kung paano sila magpuput together, um, a lot of thought has been put into it. Makikita mo dito, pinag-isipan nila mabuti kung paano mababalance yung energy nila. And as we see dun sa music video and the distribution ng lines dun sa songs, it was effectively balanced. Kumbaga, walang umangat, wala ring masyadong bumaba. Lahat sila pantay-pantay. And this made the collaboration really memorable and enjoyable. Inuulit-ulit ko nga yung kanta eh. Kasi sa una parang hindi pa masyado magre-register sa'yo kung ano yung what the song is all about because like the music video, it's very mysterious. So mag-iisip ka mabuti. And ang maiisip mo talaga, paano kaya to kapag nag-live performance na sila? Like excited ako to see, sana nga no, full theatrics knowing na si Pablo is very in tune sa kanyang indie filmmaking at sa kanyang theater writing skills. And alam naman natin na magaling din na actress si Sarah G. So, iniisip ko, sana pag pinerform nila to, no, hindi lamang basta performance, pero like, ilagay nila in the form of a musical play. I don't know. It's me being very futuristic already, but knowing these groups, hindi na ako magtataka if they will do something na hindi natin inaasahan or very high level pa. Kasi sila na yung nasa top ng industry right now. And both of them are really raising the bar. And super love ko din dito ha. Ang daming register ng emotions ni Pablo. Like, nagsiswitch talaga siya from something na parang innocent, like only 2 minutes, wandering around or nag-iisip, then biglang lalalim yung acting niya. Ang dami niyang pinaguhugutan, no? So, iniisip mo tuloy kung hindi pala sila like P-pop stars, pwede rin talaga silang naging actors. Like, eto na lang si Stel, ang lakas ng register niya sa screen. Like, I remember, para siyang bagay sa 80s film and then parang pwede rin siya sa horror movie. I mean, they bring in so much of themselves. Hindi lang sila magaling kumanta, sumayaw. Magaling din silang umacting ha. I mean, come on, nakikita mo yung versatility. At you can even imagine yung Ken na how he will register as an actor sa action film. Like, it's giving John Wick vibes, 'di ba? Parang ganon. And hindi corny actually. This is something na panunoodin in the international scene because Pinoy pop is giving a new definition kung paano ginagawa ang music from boy groups. I don't know kasi hindi ko naman like napanood lahat ng pop groups and their music videos all over the world, but for me this is something new. Ngayon ko lang to nakita yung ganitong atake. So, it's refreshing, like feeling ko nagkaroon lalo ng lalim yung mga characters nila as an artist. Ang galing ng portrayal nila. I enjoyed each one of them, including even si Justin, ha. Kasi si Justin ilang beses na siyang lumalabas also sa TV for mga teleserye. So talagang nahasa na yung acting skills niya and presence nila. Kasi yun talaga yung pinagkaiba nila. Whenever they step into that arena, that stage, they bring in their entire soul. Alam mo yun, ramdam mo sila. They speak to you through the screen. Kasi hindi biro yung mag-i-interchange o yung mag-change ka from a singer to dancing, and then ngayon may bago kang challenge which is to become an actor. And alam naman natin na ang mga Pilipino talaga multifaceted and multi-talented. And I think yung mga even their international fans would be so shocked and amazed to see this level and flavor. And the song, it really grows on you. Habang nagtatagal, lalong gumaganda yung kanta na umaaligid. So, of course, yung mga ibang commentaries dito, they think that the song means about the evil eye, or yung mga tao who are out there to get you and betray you and kukunin talaga yung mga energy mo. So, kailangan mag-ingat ka sa mga tao and energy na umaaligid sa'yo. Kasi whenever you do not learn to put a proper boundary in your life, and actually ako, kung hindi ka nagdadasal at hindi ka very strategic in your move, if you're not going to be spiritually aware, mas madali kang ma-attack ng mga enemies na hindi mo nakikita. Yung mga taong pumapaligid sa'yo and those people who are watching your every move, alam mo yun, they can do serious harm if you are not aware, and ang vigilance mo lang talaga is for you to pray for protection uh, from the Lord Jesus Christ, and of course to be mentally alert and aware in every facet of your life. Kasi I think we can all agree na na-reach nila Sarah Geronimo and ng SB19 yung ganitong level of success by being also aware and balanced kung ano yung nangyayari sa paligid nila. So yun yung nakikita ko na like not so obvious interpretation nung kanta nila, pero ito yung parang nagiging common theme nung mga nababasa ko na comments sa YouTube, and I have to agree. So napahaba na yung commentary ko, but as always, this collaboration did not disappoint. Hindi siya corny. It's actually ahead of its time. And even if na-shoot na siya, I think na-shoot na to parang, correct me if I'm wrong, during the pandemic ba? Or like maybe 2 years ago. But the timing of the music video is still very much relevant. And I'm very happy na nangyari tong collaboration na ito. You can see and attest na meron yung respect nila sa isa't isa. And this is what I love about SB19. Dumaan sila sa proper, alam mo yon, stages. They recognized yung mga peers nila who came before them. Wala silang dinisrespect, wala silang tinapakan. Instead, they collaborated and came up with a piece that we can all be proud of as Filipinos. So, to God be the glory talaga si SB19. And I hope that they are safe because, di ba, they're currently in Hawaii or going to Hawaii for their concert. So, yun. Bless.